Would you pay $3,500 to live here? This is Gardena. 3,500. About 1,200 square feet, 2 bed, 2 bath. So this thing is basically falling to pieces. It's coming off the wall, so we're gonna get rid of it. 30 inches. Well, best I can do is try to get a vanity with a backsplash. Okay, let's go. It's $500. No, not 500. It was 420 something dollars. Because I gave him 500 and he gave me 70 something back. So what is that for? Can't do math in my head. So yeah, a little over $400 for all this trash. You know why I like Lexel? It's because, one, it's super clear, but two, you can take this off. There it is. Piece of junk. China, for sure. I mean, what else are you gonna get? Even the Kohler ones are made in China. All right, let's install this thing. Do you guys use putty on the bottom side of the faucets, or do you use silicone? Or do you not use either because you trust the little, some of these faucets have these little water guards on them, so I don't even bother with putty or silicone. But normally if they don't have this little rubber water guard thing, I'll typically use silicone because it's just a little faster than doing putty. Comment below. No, I'm just joking. You can though if you want. This came with the faucet. These are becoming standard with all faucets, but I fell for it once and I'll never fall for it again. I will not be using this stupid piece of trash. Gasket, it leaks. I'll never trust this again. I tried it one time just to see if I could trust it, but it leaked, so I will never use it again. Isn't that cute? So nice. I loves it. Okay, so the real debate today is do you put in your pop-ups before you put it on or after? I personally like to get this on here and then put it on. Because after you put it on, if you don't have it on here, then all the weight rests on the pop-up, right? Because then it would be sitting just kind of up like that, and all the weight is on the pop-up. And I did that once, and it kind of messed up the seal with the putty, and it leaked, so right like that. I try to keep them low so that for the next guy, when he wants to undo it from down here, he has room. You get what I'm saying? Some guys put them all the way up here and you can't reach them without taking off the sink. But it's just, it's not all the way against, but it's, I have to take this one out just a touch. There we go. Now it's sitting flush. but at the same time, it's giving it some sticking power. But ultimately, you really don't even need to do this, dude. I mean, I guess it secures it a little bit. If you have kids, maybe it'd be a good idea to do that. But if you're gonna caulk the sink to this, which I do, and then the wall, which I also do, it ain't going anywhere. I'll tell you that. So that's my take on it. All right, now Lexel this bad boy up. Decent. Try to line it up right here. Make sure that's good. I usually don't line it up with the back wall because it's not always straight. I try to make the sides look nice. Wipe all that off. Yeah, there you go. Okay, so it's never easy, never lines up. So what do you do in this situation? Well, you gotta take everything out, throw it away, and then use a lot of curse words. That's what helps. All right, this is for educational purposes. So check this out. This is a dishwasher tailpiece. So I'm just trying to get creative here. Let's see if I can't get something to work. I'm trying to avoid having to cut this. That might be what I end up having to do anyway. But look at this. What if I did something like this? That would actually work, dude. That would actually work. Holy cow, dude. All right. So get a load of this. Okay, so this is what we're doing. So we got a dishwasher, disposal tailpiece with a top hat washer. Will it? I don't know if it's gonna work. Oh, it's not gonna work, dude. Yeah, well, yeah, it will. It'll work. And then we got a 90. We got a 90 like that. That won't leak. That will not leak. And then we have right here, we got a nut, 1.5 inch nut with an 1.5 by 1.25 inch reducer slip joint thing. And then we got another nut on this side. We'll put a slip joint washer on this side. You know, the only problem with this is the water is off at this house. So I'm not gonna be able to test this, which kind of sucks. Maybe I'll go next door and get a bucket, test it that way. Get a bucket from the neighbors, water. All right, so then that goes on like that. And then like that. Holy cow, this is actually gonna work. Now that is cool. That is straight up ingenuity by your boy. Now, if this was ABS, this wouldn't be that clever, but they don't make long sweep 90s like that for tubular. So, and I'm making what I have in the truck work. I don't know if I'm gonna leave this. I want to see if it works, see if it leaks. I don't think it will, man. All right. Dirty water, but whatever, it works. Let's see if this works. All right, ready? Dude, it works. I knew it would work. Oh, the drain's plugged. We got bigger issues, don't we? Oh, it's leaking. Oh, it's leaking right here. Ooh, not good. Dang, the galvy's leaking. See it? They silicone this on. Bummer, because this thing is now effectively under pressure. And it ain't leaking. Drain is plugged, dude. All right, well, let's see. Look at that. All right, well, not easy. Not the best cut, but I'll have to file it down a little bit, but next issue. That thing is completely blocked, 100%. I wouldn't be able to even show it to you on camera, but there is literally, you can't see the drain at all. This is turning into a nightmare, dude. It's supposed to be a simple vanity. How are you gonna get a snake down that? Look. Damn, you can't see. It's literally completely blocked. It's almost like someone put something in there. You see it now? It's completely blocked. Can I throw this in there? This is turning into a friggin' nightmare. All right, let me show you how I'm gonna pipe this sucker up. All right, there you go. I had to take out that, so I'm gonna install that again, and then we're gonna go with tubular on this one. We use one of these. I don't usually do that. I usually pipe it up in ABS, but I just happen to have a tubular P-trap right in front of me. I was like, all right, we'll do that. There you go. It's a little cattywampus, but sometimes you just got to work with what you got, because this is a rental and they're not trying to remodel the whole dang place just so this can be perfectly straight. You got what I'm saying? But it won't leak I guarantee you that. And it'll drain fine. And that's that, man. That is that. What a pain, dude. But I like pains because that means more work, you know? So. You're wondering why I used metal. It's because it's all I had. And I needed an extension right there. Okay. We got the cleaning guys here. They're gonna clean all this up, they said. All that mess. So I guess that's it. They'll have to paint. But I want to test it. But the water's not on. But I got these super tight. Everything's torqued to spec. That's it. All right, folks.